Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. To establish a big company, a large sum of money is required. Sometimes it is not possible for an individual to invest such a big amount. Other people are interested in the company to join. They divide the estimate value into small parts ranging from rupee 1 to rupee 100. Each part obtained is called shares, and fixed value of each share is called original value or nominal value. The person who purchase shares are called shareholders. Nominal value is also called as registered value, face value, printed value, etc. Nominal value of share does not change with time. The price of the share in the market at any particular time is called market value or cash value. Market value changes with time. At par means market value equal to nominal value. Above par or premium means market value greater than nominal value. Below par, discount means market value is less than nominal value. The profit which a shareholder gets from his investment in the company is called dividend. Dividend is always expressed as percentage of nominal value of the share. Dividend does not depend on market value of the share. Formulae: sum invested is equals to number of shares bought into market value of one share. If shares are at par, then market value of one share is equals to nominal value of it. Number of shares bought is equals to sum invested to buy shares upon MV of one share, market value of one share. Number of share bought is equals to total dividend from these shares upon dividend on one share. Numbers of shares bought equal to total income or profit upon income on one share. Total dividend on equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of a share. Return percentage is equals to income percentage or profit percentage, which is equal to income upon investment into 100. For a shareholder, income, return or profit means dividend paid by the company. Exercise 3A. Sum number 1. How much money will be required to buy 400, that is to buy 400 shares, rupees 1250 share at a premium of 1 rupee? Means we have to buy, number of shares we need to buy is 400. What is the meaning of 1250 share at a premium of 1 rupee? Means nominal value of share is rupees 1250 of one share and market value is 1250 plus 1, 1350 for one share. Therefore, Money required to buy one share is rupees 1350. Money required to buy 400 shares, 400 into 1350, that is rupees 5400. Sum number 2. How much money will be required to buy 250? 15 share at a discount of rupees 150. Numbers of shares to be bought 250. Rupees 15 shares at a discount of rupees 150 means nominal value of share is rupees 15. Market value is 15 minus 150 because discount is there, equal to rupees 1350. Therefore, money required to buy one share equal to rupees 1350. Money required to buy 250 shares is equals to 250 into 1350 equal to rupees 3375. Sum number 3. A person buys 120 shares at a nominal value of rupees 40 each, which he sells at rupees 42.50 each. Find his profit and profit percentage. Nominal value of 120 share is equals to 40 into 120, that is equals to rupees 4800. Market value of 120 share is 42 into 120, that is equals to rupees 5100. Profit is equals to 5100 minus 4800, rupees 300. Profit percentage, profit upon NV into 100, that is equals to 300 upon 4800 into 100, that is equals to 6.25%. Sum number 4. Find the cost of 85 shares of rupees 60 each when quoted at rupees 63.25. Means nominal value is 60 and market value is 63.25. Therefore, market value of one share is rupees 63.25. Market value of 85 shares 63.25 into 85, rupees 5376.25. Sum number 5. A man invests rupees 800 in buying 5 shares, and when they are at premium of rupee 1.15, he sells all the shares. Find his profit and profit percentage. Nominal value of one share is rupees 5. Total money invested 8000 rupees. Therefore, numbers of shares purchased, 800 rupees. Number of share purchased 800 upon 5 is equals to 160 shares. Now, market value of one share, now it is premium of rupees 1.15. So 5 plus 1.15 is equals to rupees 6.15. Market value of 160 share, 160 into 6.15, that is equals to rupees 984. So he bought for 800 rupees and now he get rupees 984. Profit is equals to 984 minus 800, 184 rupee. Profit percentage 184 upon 800 into 100. Whatever is the cost price or whatever you purchase, whatever money you buy, that you have to write here. So that is equals to 23%. Sum number 6. Find the annual income derived from 125, rupees 120 share paying 5% dividend. Nominal value of one share rupees 120. So nominal value of 125 shares will be 120 into 125, that is rupees 15,000. Dividend is equals to 5% of 15,000, that is equals to 5 upon 100 into 15,000, equal to rupees 750.